jump in your moment, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's on the ride too, you know.
Hi guys, thank you so much for coming out here. I really want to say thank you to City of St. Paul and Visit St. Paul, and most importantly my whole entire family and everybody else just for coming out to see me. This is truly amazing. It's not like anything I ever expected. So to see all of your amazing faces here is just truly incredible. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm gonna get emotional, but thank you so much for coming out. It truly is amazing, and it's just like, I'm so overwhelmed, and I really feel all of the love and support that all of you have given me throughout my whole entire journey, and especially now since I'm an Olympic gold medalist. Like, it just... I'm gonna cry. There's a lot of young girls and boys out here, and I just want to say that if you ever want to reach your dreams, please try and go for it, because you never know how far you're going to get, and it's just truly is amazing when you do reach your dreams. So please don't ever, ever, even if it get hard, like, don't ever stop, and keep reaching for your dreams. Yeah. You guys are gonna make me cry. What do you want me to say? What? I can't sing. But yeah.
I'm gonna give her a break. Everyone wants you to sing a song, but she's not gonna do that.
I don't know how to sing.
She can do flips. She can do the uneven bars. She's not gonna sing.
Yes.
They want a lot from you.
Yeah, they do.
They do want a lot from you. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Let's invite some representatives up here. They're gonna give you some resolutions. So I'm gonna invite Rudy DeBellis, a staffer from U.S. Senator Amy Klobuchar's office, Representative Jim Nash, and Senator Michelle Benson, here to present you with some resolutions.
Okay. Definitely. I can do flips for days, but I cannot talk in front of all these people.
We're going to have some more folks come talk for you. So we're going to invite right now Dr. Ntxhais chiropractic practice on behalf of the family to give some remarks. So Dr. Ntxhais.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ